In every room, there is an invisible hierarchy. Most people struggle to climb it using words. The elite command it using psychology. Today, we break the silence. Law 1. The Scarcity of Presence. The first law of respect is economic. In any market, when supply is high, the price drops. Humans are no different. If you are always available, always the first to reply to an email, and always free for a coffee chat, you are telling the workspace that your time has zero value. High-value individuals practice strategic absence. They don't attend every meeting that could have been an email. They don't join every office gossip circle. When you make your presence a prize, people naturally start treating your words with more weight. Law 2. The Amygdala Hijack. When someone disrespects you or raises their voice, they are testing your emotional baseline. Most people react instantly. They get defensive, they stutter, or they get angry. This is a loss. To command respect, you must master the non-reaction. In psychology, this prevents the amygdala hijack. By remaining calm and silent while someone else is losing control, you instantly become the alpha of the interaction. Your silence is a mirror that reflects their lack of professionalism back at them. Law 3. Declarative Communication. Listen to how you speak. Do you use minimizers? Words like just, I think, maybe, or does that make sense? These are linguistic signals of low status. You are asking for permission to have an opinion. Shift to declarative speech. Instead of saying, I just wanted to check if, say, I'm following up on. Stop ending your sentences with a rising tone that sounds like a question. State your facts, then stop talking. The person who needs the least words to explain themselves is often perceived as the most powerful. Law 4. The eye contact drill. Eye contact is a biological battleground. Submissive individuals look down or blink rapidly when challenged. To command respect, use the 80-20 rule. Maintain eye contact for 80% of the time while you are listening and 60% while you are speaking. If someone tries to stare you down, do not look down. This is the universal sign of the defeated. Look to the side, as if you found something more interesting to focus on. Then return your gaze. You are showing that they cannot disturb your focus. Law 5. The boundary wall. Respect is not given to those who are nice. It is given to those who have visible boundaries. If a coworker asks for a favor that isn't your job, and you say yes because you're afraid of being disliked, you haven't won a friend. You've lost a peer's respect. Practice the no-fluff refusal. I can't help with that right now. I have other priorities. You don't need to explain what those priorities are. A person who can say no without guilt is a person who can never be manipulated. Law 6. Territorial Sovereignty. High-status individuals occupy space. Low-status individuals try to disappear. Look at your posture in meetings. Are you hunching over your laptop? Are your arms crossed tightly? This is protective posture. It signals fear. Use open posture. Keep your shoulders back. Occupy the armrests. Lean back slightly. In the primitive parts of our brain, we associate physical size and openness with leadership and lack of fear. Law 7. The ghost leverage. The ultimate law of respect is the willingness to walk away. If you are in a negotiation, a job, or a conversation where you are being devalued and you stay, you are signaling that you agree with their low opinion of you. True power comes from independence. When people know that you have the skills, the mindset, and the courage to leave the table, they will fight to keep you there. Respect is the shadow cast by self-reliance. Mastering these laws isn't about being a villain, it's about refusing to be a victim. If you found value in this protocol, it's time to join the 1%. Subscribe to SmartSense and hit the notification bell. We release deep psychological breakdowns every week to help you navigate the human game. Comment below with the word command if you are committing to raising your standards today. I read every comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next protocol.